over here you can see that I have a file right here, and then you may make changes to this particular file. And what you may want to do is save out whatever you work with. So in order to save out a file that is a Photoshop file, you can go around onto file right here. So you can click on file, and over here you can see save is an option. So once you go around over here onto save, you can go around and choose a folder where you want to save out this file. And by default, you can see JPEG is an option, and it is perfectly fine to save something as a JPEG if you want to go around and directly share it out. So once you go around and save, you can see you get the quality settings where you can choose a large file for less compression and it preserves quality. But if you want more like a smaller file size, then you can decrease the slider out into smaller file size, but the quality is compromised. But if you want the original quality itself, then you may want to consider saving the file as a Photoshop file itself. So you can go around onto file right here, click on save as right here, and then over here you can see save as type is an option. So you can go around over here and select Photoshop file right here that is in PSD format. So you can go around and save this, and what happens is that it gets saved out as original Photoshop file itself. So you can see that this is what you have. So this is the JPEG file, while this is the editable original Photoshop file right here. And that is how you can save out files inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements.